It's Monday night, and Vivian and I are getting ready to make some brownies. Cookie brownies to be exact. And we had to follow the directions. And there you have it. We're gonna put it in there for 350 degrees. And Vivian's putting the cookie dough. She's being a little bit slow on it, but it's okay. We're gonna get there. We got this one little piece left. I don't know why she won't put that big chunk in there. But come on, Vivian, the last piece. It's okay. We're gonna eat it all. We will eat it. All right, and there you have it. We're gonna wait. How many minutes, Vivian? About 34 minutes, and we should be done. All right, there you have it. Be back with you in just a few minutes. All right, and there you have it. We've taken it out of the oven. It's been 34 minutes. And now we just need to let it cool down so we can get ready to have some brownies. Cookie brownies.